Hey guys, ArchieLuxury channel. Today guys, I want to talk about downloading the COVID safe app. The Australian government is trying to encourage all Australians to download to their smartphones the COVID safe app. Now this is an app that uses GPS technology where it basically knows if you, it knows your location, it knows if you've been in contact with somebody for more than 10 minutes, who then subsequently turns positive to coronavirus. Now, I gotta tell you, you would have to have fucking rocks in your fucking head to download this app, because I gotta tell you, Scott Morrison, he gives the good speech. He gives the good talk, and he pats us on the back, and we feel like he's a brother we never had, big brother we never had. And this is the problem. You download the COVID safe app, and Big Brother knows where you are. So guess what, fuckers? If you happen to go into an area which is more than 50 kilometers from home, they can fine you. Fine, like Singapore. Fine you. It's a fine idea when they start fining you for going out. So I tell you now, tell the government to stick COVID safe app up their fucking ass. The other problem is the fact that, say it tells you that you were in contact with someone with the COVID-19 virus. It'll then have huge limitations on you. You will be legally bound not to. You got to be self-isolating. Now, be completely frank and honest with you. You're better off not knowing. You've broken no law. You've done nothing wrong. If you have this stupid fucking app that tells you you've been in contact, and it could be a technology fuck up. It could be that there was a woman 2 meters behind you who had COVID, and doesn't mean you've got the COVID. No, but this stupid Big Brother device, it then's going to go ding, 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 COVID, self-isolate. They will send the details to the police. The police will be checking up on you, and there will be huge fines, possible jail time if you don't listen to this stupid fucking app. Now, if you don't sign up, well, they're not. It's not going to notify you. It's not going to tell you nothing. You're not going to have broken the law. Don't be a fucking fool and give the Australian government more power than they deserve. The COVID safe app is Big Brother at its finest. Big Brother at its finest. The government doesn't give a fuck. They're there to fine you. Look at how many fines they've issued there for COVID. A lot of these fines here are fucking ridiculous. A lot of these fines were really crazy. They had the Queensland Shadow Police Minister who got fined. What the fuck was he doing wrong? The cul-de-sac he lives in had a driveway party. So you stay in your own driveway, social distancing. Man, what the fuck is wrong with these people? He's been pumped and dumped and shamed. So what? So what? He had his neighbor's a policeman. He also got fined. I mean, this is just ridiculous. They were trying their best in a bad situation. Instead of saying, look, this wasn't ideal, but hey, you guys are nice middle-class people. We'll give you a break. No, they fucking booted him in the guts. Boot. Well, fuck you, Big Brother. I ain't giving you no more power. Civil libertarians would be rolling in the grave. That's exactly right. The other thing is, too, is that you look at some of these fines. They've been fining people. Fine. You can't go for a drive. You can't do this. Well, fuck you. You know, your app, you can stick your fucking app up your ass, ScoMo. That's right, Scott Morrison. Stick your fucking app up your fucking ass. That's right. You would have to have rocks in your fucking head to install the COVID safe app. I love the way they give it trendy, sexy names. What are you fucking losers gonna call deaf duties when you bring that back? What are you fucking losers gonna call it when you bring out more taxes to pay for this money you've given to all the fucking people out there? It's not fucking magic money. And this is the whole thing. You would have to have rocks in your head to be putting these limitations on yourself. COVID safe. Fuck you, ScoMo. Fuck you. And I got to tell you, seriously, this is absolute fucking bullshit. Don't give Big Brother any more power than they already have. You would have to have rocks in your nogger if you think Big Brother cares for you. Big Brother doesn't fucking care. Big Brother is evil. Evil, evil, evil. It's very, very evil indeed. It's evil fucking shit. This is the truth. This is it. This is it. This is Big Brother. Don't let that fucker into your life. You install the app and then say somebody in your household, they're going to force you to quarantine. And what happens if one of the members in your household is, say, a nurse? She can't go to fucking work then, you stupid morons. Then she's in a legally compromised position. Better off live in ignorance, you fucks. Put your head in the sand. Let some other fuckwit do the app shit. Do not sign up. Do not sign up. The app is evil. It is evil. It's tracking you. What the fuck is this? And I gotta tell you, this app is evil. And ScoMo, you know, it's all so cool. I love your talk. The Jesus will cure everything talk, ScoMo. Let me fucking tell you this, ScoMo. You said landlords and tenants need to talk. Yeah, the landlord said, get fucked. You look at the commercial rent situation there. The landlords have said, get fucked. Okay, ScoMo? ScoMo goes, landlords and tenants need to talk. Yeah, ScoMo. Yeah, you're such a cool leader. Fuck off. Fuck off. And stick your fucking COVID-safe app up your fucking ass. That's right. Stick the fucking COVID-safe app up your fucking ass, ScoMo. We ain't fucking installing it. Go and give it to China. See, ScoMo doesn't belt the shit out of China. No, he's scared. We're all scared, ScoMo. China has told you to fuck off. That's right, ScoMo. So, ScoMo, at least Abbott did a bit of shirt lifting with the Russians. And that's the whole thing. This app is evil. You're going to have so many legal implications. If it tells you to self-isolate, you're in fucking isolation for fucking 2 weeks. Your whole household is locked in. Fuck off. Fuck off. That's the, you can stick your app up your ass, ScoMo. It's stupid. You would have to be an idiot to install this thing on your phone. Absolute idiot. And governments, you know, they don't give you a warning. No, mandatory fine. Well, fuck you, ScoMo. Stick it up your fucking ass. That's what I say. Stick the fucking COVID-safe app up your fucking ass. That's what I say to you, man. It's just ridiculous. Absolute ridiculous. And as for you to come out there spruiking, you go and ask any of these fuckers who got a $1,300 fine how friendly Big Brother is. Big Brother doesn't want to listen. Big Brother doesn't try. No, just fine. Fuck you, ScoMo. Stick it up your fucking ass. That's right. Stick your fucking COVID-safe bullshit up your fucking ass. That's right, ScoMo. Stick it up your ass. So, guys, don't install the COVID-safe app. You would have to have rocks in your fucking head. It's a tracker. It puts you into a legal bind. And, guys, just live in blissful ignorance. You might cark it and die, but fuck, that's better than being pushed around by these fucking bureaucrats in Canberra. So I tell you now, guys, tell ScoMo to stick his fucking app up his fucking ass. I'm ArchieLuxury. Tell me what you fuckaroonies think of that. Fuck it, ScoMo! Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. And who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. And there we go, one of the most beautiful Pateks of modern times, a key reference point in Patek history, the 5035, proudly part of the ArchieLuxury wristwatch collection.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mark Goldberg for ArchieLuxury AC3, the Pontiff Satan de Ville. I want to sincerely thank you for having sat through this video because I know it was awful, but you know what? You do it for the greater good of humanity. Thank you so much. Now, a couple of quick pieces of homework. Now that you've watched this video, I would like you to hit thumbs up. If you must, hit thumbs down, but if you'd hit thumbs up, I would especially appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a really nasty comment and tell him how awful this content was, but most importantly of all, the entire reason that I am linking up with ArchieLuxury in the first place. I am a published author, Let Dogs Be Dogs, available in bookstores, Amazon, and electronically somewhere near you. Remember, ArchieLuxury, he's not just a figment of your imagination.